I'll be showing you how to set up the suction machine for oral suctioning. This device is useful for clearing secretions from the mouth if the member cannot remove them on their own. We'll be going over the procedure with the Grey DeVilbiss suction machine. The main components are the suction machine, filter, collection container, tubing, and suction wand. To begin, attach the suction tubing to this outlet and attach the other end to the wand. Turn on the suction machine and then you can suction some water to test it out. When the machine is on, move the wand around the mouth, under the tongue, and between the cheeks. Do not go too far back. If you touch the back of your throat, it will make you gag and vomit. When you are done, wipe away thick secretions on the outside with a paper towel. Suction some water to flush the tubing. The collection canister will start filling up. We recommend emptying the container when it is half full. Do not wait until it goes all the way to the top. To take it apart, disconnect the tubing, remove the filter, and take out the container. Pull the lid off, discard the content in the sink or toilet, give it a quick wash and rinse. To clean the suction wand and tubing, suction a full cup of warm soapy water and do it again with a cup of water to rinse it. Air dry and put it all back together. Please note that this filter says do not wash. If you do get it wet, it will swell up and block the suction. And this is to protect the suction machine. If this does happen, contact Prop to get some replacement filters.